Okay, so now I want to do solving a proportion of the form a over x plus b is equal to c over x. So let's take this here. I'm going to have to do a screenshot because it's, well, I can copy that over. Let's go back to Sketchbook. And let's go here. Okay, minus 22 over x minus 4. Minus 22 over x minus 4 is equal to, what was the other one? Minus 11 over x. Minus 11 over x. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to say, let's multiply everything by a negative 1. So this is going to become 22 over x minus 4 is equal to 11 over x. All right, then I got to bring x out of the denominator. So I'm going to say this means this is x times 22 is equal to x minus 4 times 11. Okay, so this is 22x is equal to 11x minus 44. All right, so I'm going to add 44 to both sides and subtract 22x from both sides. Minus 22x, and so this is going to be 44 is equal, I'm going to factor out an x here, x over 11, or rather not over, but pull the x out, right? 11 minus 22, which is a negative 11. All right, run out of space here. 44 is equal to x 11 minus 22, which is equal to 44 minus 11, right, which is therefore 44 over minus 11 is equal to x, right? And so this looks like this is 4 over 1 over negative 1 is equal to x, and so it looks like x is equal to minus 4. All right, so what I did was the important part I think here is remembering that the x minus 4, you can't just add a 4, you can't subtract out an x, you can't reduce that. You can take that whole thing and cross multiply. That's what I did there to get it out of the denominator. All right, another thing I could have done is I could have just flipped both sides. All right, so there's a couple ways to do that, but there's an example of how to solve that problem. I hope that's helpful.